Rise means to go up by itself, and raise means make something go up. Number one, the sun will blink at 6 today. Does the sun need a helping hand to get up in the sky? Nope, it just goes up naturally. That means the right word is rise. So the full sentence is the sun will rise at 6 today. Number two, please blank your hand to answer. Well, does your hand float into the air by magic? Unless you are auditioning for a ghost movie, I don't think so. You have to make it go up. That means the right choice is raise. So we say, please raise your hand to answer. Nicely done. Number three, the river will blank after heavy rain. Picture it. It rains a lot, and the water level goes up all by itself. Nobody is pulling the river higher with a rope. That means the answer is rise. So the sentence is the river will rise after heavy rain. Number four, parents blank children with love daily. Children don't just pop out, fully ready to go. They need parents to make them grow up. That's a clear example of raise. Parents raise children with love daily. Number five, the company will blank salaries soon. Do salaries suddenly go up on their own? No, the company has to make them go up. That means the answer is raise. So we say the company will raise salaries soon. So here is a quick recap. Rise means go up by itself, while raise means make something go up. Keep that simple difference in mind and you never get stuck again. I'm Nelson, and remember, if salaries don't rise, maybe we should raise our voices politely at HR. See you next time. Bye.